Hi everyone, this is Usman. Welcome to my channel Usman Physics. In this video, we are going to learn about pith ball electroscope. Now, what is an electroscope? An electroscope is a device used for detecting the presence of an electric charge on a body. It is also used in determining its nature, whether it is positive or negative. Now, what is pith ball electroscope? It is one of the earliest and most simple forms of electroscope. It was invented by schoolmaster and physicist John Canton in 1754. Let us see the construction of pith ball electroscope. It consists a stand of wooden base to which copper hanger is attached. It also consists of small thermocol ball which is suspended from a stand with a silk thread. Its action can be improved if thermocol ball is wrapped with thin foil of silver or aluminium. In the same way, a glass rod and a silk cloth are taken. This is the electroscope which we have constructed. Now, take a glass rod and rub it with the silk cloth. Bring the glass rod near the pith ball. We see that ball is attracted towards glass rod. Move the glass rod such that it touches the ball. Take the glass rod away. Take the silk cloth again. Rub the glass rod with silk cloth and bring it near the pith ball. We see that this time pith ball is repelled by glass rod. Yes, what we are saying is true. In first instant, the ball is attracted towards the glass rod, and in second instant, it is repelled by the glass rod. Let us understand what is the science behind it. Whenever glass rod is rubbed with the silk cloth, glass rod loses some of its surface electrons to the silk cloth and glass rod becomes positively charged. If you see the distribution of charges inside the pith ball, we can see the positive and negative charges, they are equally distributed. Now, whenever the positively charged glass rod, when it is brought nearer to the pith ball, the ball is attracted because the negative charges inside the ball, they will come along one side and the positive charges they move along another side. As we know, unlike charges attract each other, the negative charges in the ball, they get attracted towards the positive charges present inside the glass rod. Now touch the glass rod with the pith ball. Then what happens? The negative charges they get transferred to the glass rod and glass rod becomes neutral and the pith ball comes to its original position. Once again take the glass rod and rub it with the silk cloth. We know that the glass rod becomes positively charged. Now if you see the arrangement of charges inside the pith ball, we see only positive charges are present. Now whenever this glass rod is brought nearer to the pith ball, definitely it is repelled. Why? Because pith ball contains only positive charges and glass rod also contains positive charges. As we know, like charges repel each other. That's why the ball is repelled by the glass rod. Thus, if a body is brought nearer pith ball such that first the pith ball gets attracted and then repelled, then we say that the body is charged. I hope you have understood this video.